What's up, online shoppers? Unbox Me Gifts has come up with the coziest, softest socks, and I love that they come in this great little gift bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is really nice for gift giving. You can actually just put them in a stocking or tuck them into a mug for a great little extra, and they are so soft. Oh my goodness. These are such a beautiful, soft chenille yarn, and I can't wait to get these on my Tootsies. Now these come in a wide variety of colors, and you can see that they're a full-length sock. These are so nice for putting in your rubber boots to help keep your feet nice and cozy. Also, you can get them in 1-packs, 2-packs, 3-packs, and you can also get them in non-slip design where they put those little dots on the bottom so that your socks aren't slippery. This one here is the Heather Charcoal, and they have a couple other colors. They have pink, they have like a stone cream color. They also have a plaid color, and I love how soft these are. Now they're made of a really nice chenille yarn, and you can see that they are really nicely polished and finished on this side. I love how stretchy they are. You can definitely see that these would be a great size for pretty much almost any adult foot. They are a little bit longer, and they're very stretchy because I did stretch them out. Look at how much longer that is. I know they'll bounce back as soon as I wash them or as soon as I get them on my foot. Fabric wise, they are 100% polyester. So if you're worried about a sensitivity to wool or other fabrics, this is just soft and very, very gentle. I think these are a great gift of warmth and comfort for just about any occasion. Incredibly soft. I love the design, how well finished they are. I think they're going to be super easy to care for because they are polyester. And I think these are going to be a family favorite at my house.